Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this part I'm going to show you how you can add rich text editor when you want to upload any product to the database. As you can see in the product I have image, name, category, price, description. I want to add all this information in a nice text editor which is called rich text editor. So how can you do that? How can you add that thing? So first let me just run the server. For that I need to go to the XAMPP because it's running on MySQL server, the database. So let me go to the MySQL and start our server. Okay, now you need to just run the server, python manage.py run server. Okay, our server is up and running. So let me go to the dashboard. Okay, so it's working nice and well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in this add part, if you go to the add part section, I want to add a nice rich text editor in the add description section. Also if you go to the admin section, you also see that. You can go to admin, and here if you go to the product, okay, click on this product, and if you go to add any product, and here you'll see a nice text editor here in this particular field where the model is, as you can see, the model is models.text field. In this description field I want to add that nice text editor. So first I'm going to do it in the admin panel. So for that, what you need to do, just go out of the shell. In the first we have to go to the documentation of Django CKEditor. Just write Django CKEditor, and as you can see the GitHub link, and just go there and see what's going on there. And as you can see, we have a fields, widget, all of those things that you can change. First you need to install the pip install Django CKEditor. Okay, so let me install it. Pip install Django CKEditor. Okay, so as you can see, our CKEditor is installed. Now what I need to do, go to the settings.py file. As it is a application that I installed, I need to go to the main product management application. In the main settings.py file I need to add the thing. So I need to go to the installed app, and here I need to install that, which is CKEditor. So this is the thing that I just installed using pip install Django CKEditor, and you need to add that to the settings.py file. Now the main thing starts. We need to go to the products app where I'm gonna install the add product, and in the models.py file, this is the main important thing that we need to do. We need to import the thing that we just installed. So from CKEditor.fields import rich text field. From CKEditor.fields we need to import rich text field. As you can see, it is coming from this documentation, and if you scroll that, as you can see, from, let me zoom in. Okay, from CKEditor.fields import rich text field, and need to import that the rich text field into your model's content. As you can see here, I have the content is equal to rich text field. So very simple. And in this field, in the description section, I want to add the rich text field. So I need to write rich text field. So this is the only thing that I need to change. Okay, we don't need to edit any other field, only the product description. Now what you need to do, you need to migrate that file. First you need to migration, and then you migrate it to the server or the database. For that you need to do two more things. One is make migrations, and then you need to migrate, because your model data information is changed. So that's why I need that. I'm going to write python manage.py make migrations. Okay, make migrations. As you can see, one of the information is changed. Alter field description. This is the field we just change. Okay, then to migrate it. So python manage.py migrate those to the database. Okay, so our database is also changed. Now if we go to the run server, let me run the server admin section. As you can see, our rich text editor, it has added. It's so good, it's so awesome. Okay, you can write anything. I love Django, and you can make it bold. As you can see, you can make it bold, you can make it like heading tag. Okay, and this is the bold, and you can make it also the italic. you can make underline, all of the things that you want. You can add images here. As you can see, you just paste the link. Okay, you just paste the link and the image would be added. So let me go to the Google and images. Let me add that particular image and just go there and copy the image link, copy image address. Okay, and just paste it here, give it a width, height. Okay, and place OK. As you can see, your image is added. I love Django. Okay, the next section, you can also add this table. Okay, this table, you can add information. Row 1, this is name, this is row 2, and we have the price, and row 3 we have the description. Okay, so we can add all those information this way. Okay, so this is a nice thing, and the name of this thing is suppose test rich text editor. Okay, and give it any image. Let me give it a nice image, give it like this one, and this should be in a price of 555.55 price, and it should be in a desktop category. Suppose just add it. This is just a demo purpose. Okay, I'm just making sure everything is working or not. Okay, and you can add more color. I love Python. Okay, in this second line. So this is also working perfectly. Let me see how you can do more thing. You can add tables, you can add images, you can just change the color, you can change the source code, you can see the source code as well. You can add emojis. As you can see, all of the things that you have, you can do this. Okay, there is a lot of options. This thing works in the admin panel only, but we need to work on our main website. So let me go there. So in the add product section, I also need to add that thing to here. If you want to add that description, you need to add those rich text editor as well. So this is very important. So let me get out of this thing and go to the add product.html page, and here you need to add that information. Here also you need to just copy the same thing, this one, and so in place of as p, I'm going to write form.media. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let me save it and refresh the web page. Go to add product again. As you can see, the information is coming nicely and the rich text editor is added just by telling this line, this form.media, form as media, in the add product section, where you want to add the product for this product management application in the description section. Why in the description section? Because in the models.py file, as you can see, I have added this rich text editor, rich text field only in the description section. So from CKEditor.fields, import rich text editor or rich text field only for the description category, description section. Okay, so that's why it's added there. So let me write, this is from in-app rich text editor. Okay, so let me make it italic and make it bold and make it colorful. Go there. Okay, let me add a nice color and let me add an image as well. Okay, so go to the images from this part and copy this image, copy image address and paste it here. Okay, and you can change the width and height as well. It's all up to you. And here, so here I want to add one more text and paste here. Okay, so let me make it heading 2. Okay, it's working, and let me check if another image is also working. Go to the images, copy image address and just paste it here in the image section. Paste the link and it is working. Yes, it's perfect, and you can submit it. Okay, you need to add a price category, product name is demo product, and choose an image file, suppose the power supply. Okay, so it's added. Let me check if it's added or not. Okay, this is added. This is the price, this is the demo product, and this is in a smartphone category. We need to change the category a bit, this information, but as you can see, the description is coming in a HTML format, which we don't want. So how can you solve that problem? So this is a big issue, right? So we need to go to the show products page, product detail page, because this is actually the product detail page. Okay, so here you need to do something. Let me go to each product dot description. Here we are passing all the products name, price, category name. Okay, we have price, category name, the two buttons, delete and edit. Here in the description part, I need to do one more thing, which is in the pipe character, I need to add save. Okay, so this is the thing that we need. This is very important. When you want to show the information in these templates from the rich text editor information, you need to add a pipe character and save. So I want to save it and run it and refresh it. As you can see, it's added. Okay, let me change the card view RAM to 35 RAM and save it. Okay, now as you can see, we have the image, this name, price, is category, and its description. This is the same description that we have added from there, and the images, Lorem Ipsum, and all of those things. Okay, so this is very important, and you should also update it and update the price to desktop and change it to this thing. Okay, let me check it. Okay, nice. You have your images, you have your description, you have your more images that you have added from there. So everything is working fine. First we install this application. Okay, Django install CKEditor, and then in the settings.py file, okay, then you go to the settings.py file and add the CKEditor app to your Django project. And then what we did, and go to the model section. In the description part, I just added the rich text field, and it's coming from CKEditor.fields import rich text field. So this is the only thing that we want. Okay, then it's working from the admin panel, but we want from the root directory in the main application that we want to add it. Okay, those information, and for that thing we just go on to the add product page, and instead of form.sp, I just wrote form.media, and it will work like a charm. This is a very easy trick. You can do it within a second. And how you can show the information in a detail page when you go to any particular product. Okay, like this product, in the detail, how you show that thing. Okay, in the HTML page, when you want to render that information, you go to the product detail page where you show that information. In the description part, I need to add a pipe character and save, and now it will work fine. Otherwise it will show only the HTML tags, which we don't want, okay, in the website. So this is very simple and easy. So you can do it for any Django websites and applications, and this will make your application looks really nice, and you can add all those information. When to add a product, you can customize everything, every description that you want, and it will look really good. So this is how you can add a nice rich text editor in Django project. So thanks for watching. I'll be coming in the next video where I'm going to show you very nice machine learning projects. So thanks for watching. I'll be coming in the next video.